Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the month of September 2020 and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Alright, so as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Sagittarius in the coming month for September 2020. For my Sagittarius, please, angels and my guides, please guide me for my Sagittarians. My tarot angels. 3 shuffles, please. Okay, so before starting your reading, I'm getting, I got 2 couples over here. The Queen of Wands with the King of Wands. A very passionate couple, fiery couple over here. Might be dealing with a fire sign, obviously you yourself, or Leo or Aries. And one more couple, a very patient, a very mature King of Pentacles with the Queen of Pentacles. Might be Taurus, Capricorn or Virgo. It can be anything. So this is something really stable. I don't know, whatever. You have also got 3 of the major arcana, 4: Temperance, Tower, the Hangman and the Devil. So your reading is not going to be just a reading today. It is more than, okay, let's see. So your energies right now at the present, it's like the Hanged Man. So you are hanging on a decision. You are analyzing your situation, whatever is happening around you, because the crossing card is the Queen of Wands. So this might be a person for which you are feeling like, where you are basically, might be a Leo as well, but not does not has to be always. But I am seeing that there is some kind of, taking a pause kind of a situation over here, where you are really thinking, you are basically, because on your mind as well, your focus is Temperance. So you are focusing a lot, might be a Sagittarius as well, but you are more focusing on some kind of a, whatever situation you are in, whichever situation it is about, that where you really need to think, and then you are going to decide. You are not going to decide something which will be just like this. No, either yes, either no. You are going to think about it, then you are going to take a decision. In your past, the Tower energy, because I don't know whether it is the same person or the same situation which you have dealt, but that something ended over here, and that was might be because of that fiery nature in you, that kind of an energy where you love to decide something, you really need to show some action. This might be that thing as well. So that is why you have already seen the losses I'm seeing over here. So now you are not ready to just hop on to a situation. You just don't want to just say yes or no right now. No, you are not that right now. The base of the reading is a King of Wands. So there is something, some kind of decision this person is, and you are really, I'm getting that this is your energy, King of Wands energy, because it is like that I'm ready to take an action, but in a very matured way, because this King of Wands, he is the king. So a king cannot just say yes or just cannot say no. So he has to think, he has to look about for everything, every other detail he has to see, he has to think about it. Okay, so in your future energies, I'm really getting with the 3 of Cups over here. So this is a very good, beautiful reunion time. Might be meeting your friends or then discussing about the situation. So someone is going to help you, with on whom you can rely on. with the four of wands in your energies. This is your present energy. So I'm really getting that somebody over here is like, thinking about some kind of a marriage or some kind of a union over here. So that is why the whole hanging process of the hangman, so it is going on. I don't know why they call it the hanged man. It's just hanging. So hanging man. Okay. So jokes apart. So the devil, the people around you, how people see you. They see you as a devil. Okay. So you do not have to be afraid about it, but it is more about somebody is really attracted towards you right over here because of your air sign quality, sorry, fire sign qualities. You are being so attracted. So we all know that they are fire signs, especially Sag, Leo and Aries. They are very attractive. So somebody over here is not letting you go. See how these people are like tied up in the chain. So basically this person or the situation, they are not going to let you go very easily. Your hopes and fear are the King of Pentacles. So this has come in the hopes and fears because you are really, I'm really feeling that you're afraid that if this is a situation or if this is a person, so this is because of your money. So this person, so you're afraid in that thing, that why this person is with me. This is he or she because of money, or what is the situation? So your your patience, your calmness is sometimes, is actually you are getting afraid because of that. Final outcome is the Queen of Pentacles. So this is a really stable outcome which I can get because it has come up with the Three of Cups as the future energy with the Queen of Pentacles. So I'm really getting whether it is your money issues right now. So I'm getting that you are really celebrating some kind of situation, some kind of a reunion with friends, family, somewhere you are enjoying, and this is really, actually this is a very happy moment for you in your future energies. Let's see now what is there. Let's see the clarification now. Alright, so why is the hangman over here in the overall energy, in the energies of my Sagittarius? Why the hangman is here? What is the situation for which the Sagittarius are hanging? Why the hangman is here, please? Okay, so we have got 3 cards: 4 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles and 5 of Cups. Okay, so past issues, past problems, fear of feeling rejected, feeling of holding on because of your past. So I'm getting that there is something, your past has given you a lot of lessons. Either you have learned the lessons or not, but you are learning actually in your focus, and your mind is the Temperance. So it's like you're focusing, you are trying to balance, you are trying to meditate, you are trying to reconnect with the world, you're trying to reconnect with yourself. So that is why I'm seeing over here it is a lot of rejection, a lot of bad karma, lot of regrets as well. Sadness is here. So that is why you are taking a pause. If this is a person, if this is a Leo over here or some other fire sign or someone who is very much, because you are the one who is really emotional, and the one with whom you were dealing with, or the situation in which you were there, so it was like you were being used. You felt that you were being used and you got nothing. You wanted emotional attachment, no. You wanted financial, not more of financial, but I'm really getting it like more of an emotional energy I'm getting, but you didn't get it because you wanted it, but you didn't get it. Let's see why the Queen of Wands is here. Why the Queen of in the issue? Why the Queen of Wands is an issue over here? Might be somebody was really manipulative in your energies, and might be your mother, a sister, elder sister as well, who is actually being very manipulated. So that is why you are taking some time to get off. So let's see why the Queen of Wands is here as an issue. Ten of Swords. So somebody, some kind of a manipulation, this, I'm really getting that this is a third party situation over here. Third party does not has to be somebody cheating you. It is an energy where, when you get manipulated by somebody whom you love. So that is why the betrayal happens, when you actually trust on someone and that person betray you. So these betrayals are not just by the fake people, it is more with the person whom you actually cared for. So your past is not really looking good to me with the Tower as well. Let's see why the Tower is here. The World. All right, I got it. So this was a life-changing experience for you with the World and the Tower. So some cycle, that process, some big cycle, your karmic cycle has been ended with the Tower here. So this was a huge process in your life, it has already been ended, but so that is why this end was really, really, for you it was more about where, with the Temperance over here, I'm getting that you really needed some healing, and that is why what is going on in your life, you are actually healing with the Hanged Man also, and the Temperance, you are healing if you are taking time. So I don't feel that there is an issue in that thing. Okay, you need time, you need to move on, so that is why you are taking time, so that is not an issue. So if you really, people around you, if they are telling you to go to just decide something really fast, no, you need time, you will be fine, but you need time for that. Let's see why the King of Wands is here with the Knight of Swords. See how fast the energies are. So basically the main problem is that you are trying to be normal, you want things to be normal, slow, but things are really moving fast. And if this is a marriage for some of you to decide something, and you are getting really fearful, let's see why the Three of Cups is here in your future energies. The Hanged Man. Okay, so you might be discussing about this issue, about this situation with your friends, with your family members, because you are not able to decide. In the future energies in September as well, I'm seeing that there is like more of a hanging situation in your life, but that's fine. Okay, so that is fine if you are taking time for yourself, no issues in that. Okay, so I'm seeing, I will see. So I just told you that Four of Wands in your energy, it is more about some kind of a reunion, some kind of a past issue only, a past person coming back. So that is why you are like a reconnection, that is why you are really thinking about that situation. And the Devil over here, the people around you, so they are really attracted towards you. I don't know whether it is lust or love, but it is actually looking more of a lust over here. So that attraction which a person cannot let go of, addiction you can say, somebody is really addicted to you, Sag, be careful. So let's see the King of Pentacles over here. Why is the King of Pentacles here? Lovers. So someone is not going to let you go now, somebody is here. So this is your hopes and fears actually. So you are really afraid that somebody just not might get into you, okay, like in a love situation. Basically your fear is you don't want any emotional drama anymore. You don't want to, just because you have already seen this, been there, seen that, experienced that, everything. So you don't want to be just enter into a relationship just like that, no matter how this person is like persuading you, manipulating you, like we are like happy couple, we are the couple goals, and boom boom. So but your energies, I'm really getting that you are actually fearful about this love, so you are getting a fear, but I'm really getting a very stable energy from this thing. Let's see why the Queen of Pentacles is there in the final outcome. Queen of Pentacles, please. Queen of Pentacles. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? The Emperor. All right, so the decision time is going to happen. So I am really getting a different side of yours. You know, your healing process is actually changing you. You're, you are taking a pause, and that is fine. So it is actually, you are changing yourself in that process, because with the Queen of Pentacles and the Emperor, I'm getting that, this person is, yes, you are mature enough to take a decision yourself, but you are not the past energies of yourself. You are a very changed person, Sag, really. So you can take a decision. You are ready to take a decision, I'm saying, in the final outcome. Whatever the situation is, you are there, you are ready to take the decision. And you are going to take this decision very, in a very perfect manner, not just like that. All right, so that is all from my side, Saj. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.